I sit beside my friend and memorize everything what teacher gives me. When teacher asks me, I forgot it. Why?
You memorize everything, and when the teacher is asking, you are not able to recollect or you are not able to answer. Okay. So there is an answer in the question itself. My dear children, some of you may be feeling that your memory is not good, you are not able to remember what you have read, and when the exam comes, you are not able to recollect what you have read. So you are getting less marks. Why this happens? You may be thinking that your memory is not good, but no, let me tell you, memory of each and every child is very good, excellent. Nobody will forget anything. Now let me ask you a question. You are in 5th class right now, right? Can you tell me how you celebrated your last birthday? Where were the celebrations?
At home.
At home. Which day is your birthday?
16th September.
16th September. So your birthday is going to come up next month, right or wrong?
Yes.
So last year when you celebrated your birthday, you were in which class?
4th.
4th class. Before that?
3rd.
Before that?
2nd.
Now tell me, when you were in 2nd class, how you celebrated your birthday? You remember?
Sir, I didn't celebrate my any birthday.
Okay. But you remember that date, right or wrong? What happened on that day? How are you able to remember what happened 3 years ago? Because it's an important date, you remember that when you are in class 2, how you came to school. Have you distributed chocolates, etc. to your friends on that day? Yes, you remember that. You are able to remember what happened 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So which means your memory is good. You will not forget. Why you are not able to recollect what is there in the textbook, in the lessons? Because you are trying to memorize. Memorizing without understanding is bad. You should never memorize anything. You should first understand, then try to write on your own. Times reading it 3-4 times, memorizing after understanding is okay. In fact, I would recommend, don't memorize except for definitions, etc. Definitions, primary children you will not get. When you go to high school, you will get these definitions, etc. Those things should be written as such. Whatever is there in the textbook, same way you should write. Except for them, other things you should write in your own words. If you try to write in your own words, it will create a better impression. If you have understood something, you will never forget it. When you read something, try to understand what is there. If you have not understood, ask the teacher. Analyze, think about it. For example, in class 4, you come to know, you read about photosynthesis. Green plants make their own food, right or wrong? Why animals cannot make their own food? You think of it. Suppose if we stand on the road under sunlight with water under our feet, can we make food just like green plants? No. Why not possible? Because there is no chlorophyll in our body. Our body is not suited to make its own food like animal body. The body of, like plant, the body of plants. Understood? So the body structure of plants is different, body structure of animals is different. That is the reason why we can't do. In this way, whichever lesson you are studying, think about it, analyze it, try to write with your own words, then you will never forget. Okay? Right.